Hello everybody, are you feeling confused in making an app? Or are you feeling dizzy because a lot of code? This simple step will change your mind about app development. Developing an app can be easily using familiar software like Microsoft Excel without any dependencies and additional software. There are many implementations of Microsoft Excel application for especially people who need to input data quickly and easily. The data of the kind of application is stored in Excel standard format, so it can be accessed by anyone that has Microsoft Excel installed in their computer. So let's start the step. First of all, you need to have Microsoft Excel installed in your computer. But don't worry about installation of Microsoft Excel because usually Microsoft Excel is bundled with other Microsoft Office like Microsoft Word or Microsoft PowerPoint. We recommend you to use Microsoft Excel with version 2010 or above. If you have the Microsoft Excel installed in your computer, let's open it. We will create a new blank workbook. Then we must create a table with 3 columns because we will make a symbol to do apps. So the column is number, and then time and activity. The next step, we should access the developer tab. The developer tab isn't displayed by default, so we must activate it by click the file, options, and in the customers ribbon, make sure the developer tab is checked, and then click OK. So the developer tab will show in your menus. Next, open the Visual Basic. We must add a new user form by right-click and then insert a user form. This is a default view of the form, so we can design by accessing the Properties tab, like changing the color, and we can add some components into this form by using the toolbox. So we will design the form for the simple to-do apps. So the final design of the user form is like this. The next step, we should write some script to make this program work. To generate function automatically, you can double click the save button and then write some script in this part like this. So in general, the script is like this. The next step, we can test the program by click the run button. So to test the program, we can try to input the form like this. And then click the save button. If the data is inserted to the Excel, our program is running successfully. This step is example of easy way to make an Excel application. By developing Excel-based application, we can create more complex and more powerful application as large data recording. Using this kind of application can reduce the human error if we input the big data. So the conclusion of that is developing an application is not hard. It's not difficult to learn. There are many easy ways to make an application, such as using a Microsoft Excel and other software. So that is my video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.